One of the most requested procedures I receive is how do I change my auto attendant message? Whether you are closing the office early or changing the holiday message, I will cover this in this tutorial. The first thing you will need are your login credentials to the portal. If you do not have login credentials, please send me a request at support@tampavoip.com. Once you have your login credentials, you can go to the portal. The portal is at pbx, that's Papa Bravo X-Ray 1.tampavoip.com. The site does not have an SSL certificate, so you will receive a warning. This is intentional to discourage unwanted traffic. Go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. Once logged in, I must caution you. If you are ever unsure about something, do not save it. Simply click another menu item on the left or cancel out. This is your live PBX. There are 3 areas I will cover in this tutorial. First, I will show you how to record and identify the greeting. Second, I will show you how to apply the greeting to the IVR, or more commonly known as an auto attendant. And third, I will show you how to change the open hours, closed hours, and holiday dates for each DID or number on your system. Alright, let's get started. Recording a greeting is quite simple. All you need to do is pick up any extension in your office and dial *301 and follow the instructions. It is very straightforward and is the same procedure as recording your greeting on your voicemail. You may want to pause this video here and record the greeting. Now that you've created the greeting, you will want to name it. To do this, click on System and then Sound Files. Now under the letter box, click the drop down and then click on the letter G for Greetings. You will now see your existing greeting. The greeting you have just recorded is time and date stamped. If you will notice, there is a specific context you must follow. That is greeting and then a dash, and then you can name it whatever, say Holiday 1. Just make sure that it's not the same as a previous file. For this tutorial, I'm going to name this greeting Example 1. After I change the name, click the box next to the greeting and then click Rename at the top. Next, we will insert the new greeting in the Holiday IVR. To do this, click on IVR and then click on the Edit button for your Holiday IVR. Now go to Greetings and click the drop down on the right. Now click on the greeting you just recorded and renamed. Now scroll down to the bottom and click Save. To make sure you have the right greeting playing for that IVR, simply dial the number of the IVR, which is right above the greeting, and listen to it. Now that this is completed, we need to tell the system when to play the IVR. In order to do this, we go to the DIDs. These are all the numbers associated with your business. Click on the number you wish to apply this to by clicking the Edit button on the right. When someone calls your number, it terminates to whatever you have in the destination box here. As you can see, there are many choices here, and this should already be set for you. So in this case, it goes to IVR 100, which is a day IVR. Now click Show Advanced Options and then Operation Times. In order for this page to control the number, it has to be on, so make sure that the on box is checked and it should already be on. Now if you simply want to add a holiday, then go down to the bottom and look at the closed dates. If you wish to add a new date, then simply click the plus sign. Then add the description like Thanksgiving, then destination will be your holiday IVR number, which is, in this case, 112, and then the date. This is the tricky part. You must put in a from and to time. If you don't, it will not recognize the date. So add 01 a.m. to 23:59 p.m., which is 1 minute after midnight, to 1 minute before midnight. Now just repeat this for each holiday and do not forget to click Save when you're all done. Once you have entered the dates for a year, you can just go in and change the dates for them the following year. So that completes the 3-step process. You recorded the greeting, you added the greeting to the holiday IVR, and then you added the days to the operations times table. Also remember, if you have more than one number customers call, such as a toll-free number, then you will have to repeat the last step for each of these numbers. Finally, I'm going to show you how to change your office hours and close the office for lunch. In this example, the office is open Monday through Friday from 8 to 11:59. It closes for lunch from 12 to 12:59 and is open again from 1 to 5. From 12 to 12:59, you have created a custom destination. 112 is the lunch IVR, which will play during lunch. Now let's just say you have different hours on Friday because you only work until noon. In this case, all we need to do is move the sliders to Thursday on both these lines and the custom destination. Then add a new line for Friday by clicking the plus sign. Then move the sliders to Friday and put in the time 8 to 12. Now save it and you're done. I hope you'll use this tutorial to get the most out of your hosted service. After you do this a couple of times, you will feel like a pro. If you're feeling confident, you may want to record an inclement weather greeting for those hurricane days. That way, all you have to do is plug it into the IVR when you need to close the doors. And because this is a hosted service, you can log in from home to do it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like us on social media so you don't miss a tip. Remember, we want you to love your phones. Thank you.